Hey, what's up you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking to start earning money with affiliate marketing, then you're going to want to watch this video. Hey, what's going on you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use affiliate marketing to start earning money online. But before I get into that, I just want to say, if you guys are new here, I invite you guys to go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Because this channel is about talking about how you can use different methods to make money online and create a life of freedom for yourself. But with that being said, let me just jump right into the topic of this video. So if you're watching this video, then that means that you're interested in learning how to make money using affiliate marketing. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's a few things that you're going to need. And the first one that you're going to need is you're going to need to pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. It can be any kind of niche, but I would recommend going with something that you're really passionate about. It can be the weight loss niche, the make money online niche, the relationship niche, or any other niche that you're passionate about. So once you decide what niche that you want to promote, the second thing that you're going to need to do is pick a product. You're going to need a product to sell to the people that you're targeting. So what I would recommend is go with a few different affiliate products. If somebody doesn't like a certain product that you're promoting, you can have another alternative by promoting a different product to them. So once you decide what product or products to promote, the next thing that you're going to need is a lead magnet. So what this is also referred to as is a free offer. So this is something that you're going to be giving away to your target audience in exchange for their email. So once you create a landing page, this is pretty much where people are going to be redirected to. They're going to see the free offer that you're giving away, and they're going to have to exchange their email in order to receive it. So a free offer or a lead magnet can be anything like an ebook, a video that they can watch, a survey, anything that's going to give them value and also is related to the niche that you're in. Now once you have your lead magnet picked out, the next step is to create content. Now this is going to be very important when it comes to converting leads into sales. So when you create content that's based on the niche that you're in and you're also delivering value, you raise your chances of making more sales this way. And in order for your content to effectively convert more leads into sales, you have to deliver value and you have to do it on a consistent basis. When you start to do it on a consistent basis, people are going to start to look at you as an authority figure. And you're going to start to build trust among your target audience. So any form of content can be something like YouTube videos, writing blog articles, even a podcast. Now once you decide what form of content that you want to go with, the next thing that you need is to pick an email software service. So these can be any websites such as Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, or MailChimp. Any of these offer the tools that you need in order to create autoresponder sequences and landing pages. So this is what you're going to need in order to build up a subscriber list. Now once you decide which one of these email software services to go with, you're going to need to create a landing page. And I just mentioned that earlier. So a landing page is going to be available through any of these email software services. So what a landing page is a website or a web page, I should say, where your target audience is going to go to in order to see the free offer that you're giving away. And they're going to have to submit their email in exchange for that free offer. But not only when they submit their email, they're going to receive your free offer, but now they're going to be put onto your email list. So this is the next thing that you need to do after you create your landing page. You have to have your autoresponder sequence. I don't know if you guys can see that. So both of these right here are going to be available through the email software service, whichever one that you chose to go with. You can create your landing page from right there, and also you can set up your autoresponder sequence. So what an autoresponder sequence is are a series of emails that you write out beforehand. So whenever somebody opts into your email list, they're going to automatically receive your emails. So the way it's all going to work is, first, somebody's going to come to your landing page. They're going to see the free offer that you're giving away. They're going to exchange their email in order to receive your free offer. And then they're going to receive it and also be put onto your email list, where they're now going to receive your autoresponder emails. And in each email that you send out to them, you should be delivering value, and it has to be related to the niche that you're in. And when people receive your emails, you should also have a call to action where you're promoting the product that's related to your niche. So after you have all of this done, the most important thing to do is to deliver value. I can't explain how important this is, because this is the difference between converting leads into sales and just having people unsubscribe from your email list. Because if you're not delivering value in your emails, people aren't even going to open them up and read them. They just see you as somebody who's just promoting an affiliate product or some kind of product or service. You're just pushing it in their face without delivering any value. You have to let your target audience know how your product or service is going to benefit them. And one way that's really effective that you can do this is by addressing a problem that the people in your audience are having and offering a solution to it. So once you have a sales funnel that's set up with all of these components right here, all you have to do is just make sure that you're creating content on a consistent basis. You just have to focus on driving traffic to your sales funnel and let your sales funnel handle the rest. One thing that I want to talk about is that you might see videos on Facebook or posts on Instagram how you see people talking about how they made $1,000 overnight. I'm not saying that's not possible, but what they don't talk about is all the hard work they had to do in order to reach that point. This is not something that's going to make you rich overnight. This is something that you should be thinking about for the long term, because this is an actual business. This is not some get rich quick scheme. This is going to take some hard work and patience in order for you to see the results that you want to see. Well, I hope I gave you guys a clear example of what you should be doing in order to make money with affiliate marketing. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then you can click the link in the top of the description below. And if you guys still want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote, and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.